What's the meaning of antipathy? Antipathy. 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 Antipathy.
Antipathy is a strong feeling of dislike or opposition towards someone or something. It is the opposite of sympathy, which implies a feeling of connection or understanding. When we feel antipathy towards someone, we may actively avoid them or even feel hostility towards them. This can often lead to negative consequences in personal and professional relationships, as our emotional reactions may interfere with clear thinking and effective communication. It is important to recognize when we feel antipathy and to work towards resolving it in order to maintain positive and healthy relationships.